Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study the second part of this chapter 6 is am and are. So till now we have used these three words and we have filled these blanks. Okay? And this also. And we have understood that how we will be using these words, like we will be using am with I, that is I am Goldilocks, as we have seen in this sentence, and is with he or she or it, that means he is my friend, she is my friend. And here we have learned that how we'll be using are, as they are my friends, we are friends. Okay students, and we have filled this blank also. Now we will understand more about in this chapter, that is we also use is with singular nouns. Baby bear is a bear. So students, we also use is with singular noun, that is baby bear is a baby. We also use are with plural nouns. Papa, mama, baby bear are my friends. So we'll be using are with plural nouns, that is Papa, mama, baby bear are my friends. So that is a plural sentence, and this is the singular sentence, that is baby bear is a baby. Okay students, so now we will understand more clearly with the given exercise. So let's begin with it. Fill in the blank with is, I am and are. Okay students, so let's begin with it. The day is lovely. Is lovely. Second one, the birds are singing. So that is the plural one. So we'll be using are singing. Okay. White clouds are floating in the sky. So that means what are floating? White clouds. So that are many clouds. So that is a plural. So we'll be using are floating in the sky. So here is another one, that is a little breeze is blowing. So that is a singular one, a little breeze is blowing. That's why we have used is over here. I am playing with a ball. So I am playing with a ball. I am happy. So because we are using I, so that means we will be using am with I. So I am playing with a ball and I am happy. So now we'll do the another one. Fill in the blank with is or are. So now we'll be filling the blanks with is and are. So the first one is the apple dash in the basket. So that means is in the basket. The fruits dash in the basket. So that means the fruits are in the baskets. So first sentence what we have used is in the basket. So that means only one apple is there. So as we can see in the basket. Okay, that's why we have used is. And in the second sentence we are using many fruits. So like we can see in the picture, there are many fruits. So we have used are. The fruits are in the basket, and the first one is the apple is in the basket. So that means it's a singular one. Okay students, so here is another one. The dogs dash on the floor. So the dogs are on the floor. Okay, that is not a dog. D-O-G-S is written. That means there are many dogs. So the dogs are on the floor. The dog dash on the floor. So the dog is on the floor. So in this also we will be using are and is. That means are we will be using for many dogs and single dog will be using is. Okay. The bee dash on the flower. So that means the bee is on the flower. Is on the flower. The bees are on the flower. Okay, students. So that means there are many bees. So we'll be using are. Then the fourth one, the girls are in the class. Are in the class. The girl is not in the class. The girl is not in the class. So have you understood the difference between when we are using the singular one and when we are using the plural one? Okay, students. So now we'll come to the another exercise. Choose the correct option. So now here there is given two words, and in this we have to choose the correct one. So here is another one. So start with the first one. I am Ron. Okay, students. So that means I am Ron. So we'll be marking with I am. M with Ron. So next one. I am in the class, in class first. So in this also we'll be using am, because there is I is written over here. So as we have learned in the earlier pages, that when we are using I, we'll be using am with it. Okay. So the third one, my best friend is Rumi. Okay. Is Rumi, because we are using the singular one. Okay. She is not well. When we are using she, that means we are using singular, and she is not well. That means we are using is with it. Fifth one, Jay, Mohit, Parav, dash, also my friends. So in this there are three friends. So that means it's a plural one. So we'll be using are. Okay, are also my friends. So that is Jay, Mohit, Parav are also my friends. Then there is sixth one. We are going to visit Rumi. So as we have used we, that means we have used plural word. Okay, that means we'll be using are. We are now going to visit Rumi. Okay, students. So this is how we have come to the end of this exercise. Now let's begin with the another one. Paste your photograph and write 3 sentences about yourself using am. So students, this is what I'm going to give you some homework. So in this you have to paste your photograph over here. Paste your photo over here and write 3 lines about yourself using I am, like I am a boy. Okay, students. So I have given you an example and you have to write it down. And here is another one. Paste your friend's photograph and write 3 sentences about him or her using is. So in this you have to paste your friend's photograph. Your friend's photo, and in this you have to write about your friend. Okay, so this is your homework. Students, please do it in your book. Okay, students, so this is how we have come to the part 2 of this chapter, end of this part 2 of this chapter. So in the another video we'll discuss the further topics of this chapter. So thank you class, have a nice day.